What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm just testing out the quality on the Insta Ace 2 Pro. So this is me recording in 4K 60. I'm using the mega view. As you can see, I'm just walking down the sidewalk. And comment section below, let me know what you think about the quality of this video. I just wanted to test this out. Let me know how stable it looks. It shouldn't be too shaky. I do currently have it connected to my invisible selfie stick that I picked up from Best Buy. It's by Insta360. So in the comment section below, let me know what you think about the quality of this video. And I'm currently just using the microphone that is currently on the device because I want to test it out and see if I will need to use a Bluetooth microphone. But if it sounds good, then I will not use a Bluetooth microphone. I just feel like this might be a tad bit better for how I do my content and when I want to do my head talking shots, or if I want to go outside and make some content. I don't always want to use my smartphone because the smartphone is very big and kind of bulky. But this right here, I can take this anywhere if I wanted to. You know, if I wanted to do some shopping and wanted to do some little vlogging at the same time, I could use this to do all of that. And the quality for me does look pretty good. This is amazing how an action camera can have nice quality content. You don't have to always have a smartphone or a nice fancy camera, because I do have a camera, but I just wanted to check this out. This is my first time ever having something this small in an action camera, to be exact. So in the comment section below, let me know what you think about the quality and the sound, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.